lately I shared with you that I'm on a journey to lose some belly fat and some extra weight I gained from being stuck in the house this past year. Now, I've been exercising and I'm doing really good. However, I got another secret weapon to share with you to help you lose weight and to help you fight that stubborn belly fat. It's drinking carrot juice. Now, carrot juice is a nutritional powerhouse. Carrots revive your metabolism, and a healthy metabolism ensures that your body uses nutrients for energy rather than storing them as fat. And the carotenoids in carrots stimulate bile to flow, and an increase in bile aids in dissolving the excess fat in your body. Need I say more? Now, carrots contain a lot of beta carotene, which our bodies convert to vitamin A. And vitamin A is a powerhouse that protects our immune system. While carrots taste sweet and contain some natural sugar and some carbs, they are very low on the glycemic index. Now, this drink that I'm making, it contains carrots, an orange, turmeric, ginger, and lemon. Adding this weight loss tonic to your regimen should be at the top of your list because it's definitely at the top of mine.